have such meaning to so many.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we just talk for a second?
I love this top.
About this top. It is absolutely beautiful. Winter Rose Garden Embellished top. This was $66 today, $44.99. 3 easy payments. You guys, $15. It was just reduced. First day at this price, no reorders. You are saving over $21 today. Beautiful details, perfect playful. I can't say enough. This is that beautiful blue bonnet with those beautiful shades of pink and green and a little bit of sparkle too. Gorge. Blue bonnet. This is your black choice.
Isn't that stunning? With a white pant.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Hello. This is candy pink, which I just think is elegant, feminine, and gorgeous. It's A675837. Let's talk about this top.
So, 100% cotton. I just wanted to confirm because it went out of my brain in 2 seconds. So here, if you've been watching the whole time, you saw that cardigan that we had earlier, the printed cardigan.
Right.
So with the printed cardigan, the color of the cardigan itself is printed, as well as the flowers. Now on this one, just the flowers are printed. But this is not one of those shirts that you get on the boardwalk for, you know, $20 that you wash twice and it peels off, right?
Yes.
No, this is a very high-end, you know, print, so just keep that in mind. The cotton is soft and comfortable, long sleeves here, hence the Winter Rose Garden, right? Round neckline, little kisses of stones. Now on the candy pink, the pinks are slightly different, just so they could stand out a little bit more on the black and the blue bonnet, but just as lovely. And I love how it's mirrored.
Yeah.
On the shoulders and on the front and down the sleeves.
Yeah.
Because, you know, not everybody wants something center front. If you have a full bust, you might not want something right there drawing attention. This is so great. We can just wear it and it's lovely. You can wear a necklace. You could wear a little vest over this.
Yeah.
And, you know, if you want to wear this into spring,
go for it.
Go for it. Just zhuzh up the sleeves.
It's always the right time to wear 100% cotton. That black is so elegant. Again, all those beautiful shades of pinks and green, and then that really beautiful sparkle. I mean, there's so many things to do. Call me crazy. Sand. Isn't that elegant?
Yes, I love the sand.
The sand with that together. Chance, what's the easy pay for both those items if we're gonna do a matchy match? Because this is $15 for our just reduced, one of our most affordable items in the show, and then with the big deal. You guys, just under $32 on Easy Pay. Look at Crystal. She's got on that beautiful blue bonnet, which is like that beautiful kind of like almost like periwinkle that just looks good on everybody.
Absolutely. And again, Crystal's 5'3". She's wearing our size medium, right? Yep. You know, long sleeves, so she can just zhuzh it up just ever so slightly. The neckline is roomy, but not too wide. You know, not going to see your bra straps here. And then you just, if you have narrow shoulders, I don't have the problem. I have broad shoulders.
Look like a linebacker.
Yes, me too.
Yeah.
So, but if you have narrow shoulders, this gives the illusion of broader shoulders, you know, which of course makes your waist look whittled. It's a whole thing. We really give a lot of thought to the placement on this.
And that's perfect. So I have an update, and I want everyone at home to know 100 have already been spoken for. This is incredibly popular. It's an incredible clearance price today. Do not wait on your black choice. Only 250 to go around. That's the blue bonnet that we see on Crystal. I'm going to show each one of the color options again. So that's blue bonnet. There's only 3 to choose from. Then we have that gorgeous black choice, which is our most limited option right there. And then Angel is holding that beautiful candy pink choice, which again, feminine, elegant, sophisticated. So many ways to wear this top, and it's just $44.99. 3 easy payments of $15.
Now I'm throwing stuff around.
It's okay, that's the theme of the night. Just throw it. Extra, extra small through 5X. Beautiful details, and that silhouette is so flattering as well.
It really is. And if you haven't tried our 100% cotton, you really should, because it just eases over the body. You know, it's funny because I've been noticing lately, like there's some fabrics that I can't wear anymore. I get too warm. I get too hot. They feel itchy on my skin. But I never, ever feel that way about 100% cotton.
Right.
You know, and so this was a beautiful top that we brought pretty recently, and now, you know, it's on sale. So listen, I'm a bargain shopper.
You and me both, sister. And guess, listen, it's not on sale.
No.
It's on clearance.
Yes,
That's music
yes.
to my ears. You're saving over $21 today. This was $66 today. It's $44.99. 3 easy payments of $15. What I love about this too?
Tell me.
That versatility.
Yes.
That you're.
How would you style this?
Well, I was going to say.
I just blurted out a whole bunch of stuff.
This is what I love about wearing a top like this, 100% cotton. You can rip open that package as soon as it arrives today in February, wear it with your jeans, pop it on with a cute little sneaker. But as it gets warmer, thank goodness, outside,
Yes.
you're gonna wear it with your capris. You're gonna zhuzh up that
Yes.
sleeve. Call me crazy.
Okay,
I
crazy.
would wear, I am crazy, but I would wear this throughout
Me
the
too.
entire year. There's nothing
I
about
agree.
this that is too seasonal that
Right.
you're like, oh, you can't wear that. It's, you know, July.
Right.
This is that feminine top you're going to love wearing.
Well, I mean, and let's face it, in
Yeah.
February, when you look outside, it's brown or gray.
yes.
There's clouds.
It
it's
is sad.
cold.
Yeah.
You know, we're expecting a storm here
Don't tell me.
tomorrow
Oh,
night.
gosh.
You know, so sometimes we need a little something to brighten up our lives.
The promise of spring.
The promise
Yeah.
of spring.
And that's what this is.
And again, these are those beautiful florals. I always say too, you know, like if you have, maybe you have a friend that's a little down, you haven't been able to see her for a while, and you want to send her a little Valentine's Day gift.
What a beautiful thing.
Use the bill to ship to, right? So you send it
Yeah.
to her in California,
Yes.
and every time she pulls this out,
She thinks about you.
she thinks about you.
I love that idea. You know, I'm one of 3 girls. I love to kind of like send my sisters unexpected things in the mail. It is that instant spark of joy, that little like hug through the mail.
Yes.
Life is happening. It's
Yes.
coming at us on all sides right now. This is that little top that gives us the promise of spring.
Yep.
That little whisper that things, warmer days are on their way. Better things are to come. We're looking at Crystal right now. She's wearing that beautiful blue bonnet. I want to tell everyone right now, 200 have already been spoken for. 200 remain in your black. So if you're loving black, that is our most limited option. If you want the blue bonnet that Crystal had on, there are 700 to go around, but in candy pink, we have only 600.
Okay.
This is A675837. Tap our app, visit us on QVC.com, or give us a call. 100% cotton that you're going to love and wear throughout the entire year.
Absolutely. You know, we give you little vents at the side,
Yeah.
seam, and I have to say that the sleeve fits very nice.
Right.
Sometimes not necessarily with our brand, but with some things I try on, the sleeves are a little too tight.
Right.
It's not the case here. And you get that, just that beautiful print that is really that wow. The colors of the t-shirts
Vibrant.
are that canvas.
Yeah.
And the flowers are that painting.
I mean, it really is. It looks like that gorgeous wearable art. And you know, what I like so much about this is not only the fact that you're saving $21 today, but it's 100% cotton.
Yeah.
That you can machine wash, tumble dry, wear throughout the entire year. And we're looking at Crystal. She has her little sleeves pushed up a little bit, a little zhuzh action. But look at that great length as well. Super
Yes.
flattering, 26.5 inches to 32.5, depending on where you fall on that size chart. And it just glides over your body.
It's almost a tunic on her.
It's almost a tunic, yeah.
But yet,
Yes.
it's not overwhelming.
Yes, and that cotton is, there's like a presence and a substance to it without it ever being thick, hot, or bulky.
Yeah.
I want you to bring home this top because I want all of us to feel that little like whisper of warmer, brighter days to come.
Yes.
This is that top for you. You've just got to pick your favorite color. But when you see a $15 easy payment, if you picked up more than one, it wouldn't be too crazy. This is candy pink, which is just so feminine and beautiful. Here's your black option, which is your most limited. And this is that blue bonnet. This is A675837. This was $66 today. It's $44.99. 3 easy payments of $15. No reorders. Call us right now, tap our app, or visit us on QVC.com. Time flies when you're having fun. Angel, I would work with you every day. Thank you for being here, my friend.
It's been so long.
I know,
I'm
it
so
really
happy.
has.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. And to all of you, I am so happy we got to spend the last 2 hours together. Join me Wednesday at noon for Chelsea Reacts, my hilarious live stream on QVC.com. And then I'll be back on QVC2 that evening at 6 o'clock. Thank you for spending time with me. My name is Chelsea. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Chelsea Phillips Reed QVC. Have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.